Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Goldsmith, the President and CEO of the Orthopaedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay. I'm super excited to let you know that we are now offering a new approach for total knee replacement surgery. It is a quadriceps-sparing or muscle-sparing approach that allows the patient to recover in a much faster way following their knee replacement surgery. There are only about 80 surgeons in the entire United States that have trained on this specific technique, and we are super proud here at Orthopaedic Medical Group to be offering this. We expect the patients to be up and moving, and perhaps without a cane or walker, even after 5 to 10 days. We think that their rehabilitation is going to be much quicker, their pain will be less, and the recovery will be even more optimal. So check out the Jiffy Knee approach here at Orthopaedic Medical Group, and we hope to be able to serve all of your knee arthritis needs in the future if indeed you need them.